Okay, so welcome to a room tour of stateroom number 7514 on the Disney Dream. So I'm just going to go in and then I will shut the door shut behind me very gently. Ooh, there we go, caught it. So as you come in on the left hand side, the first thing you have is the main toilet. So you've got two little shelves here. You've got a mirror with a light. Then there's another kind of shelf here. So there was lots of storage in these bathrooms. Mickey towel, and you've got the H2O hand soap. And there's also even like more storage down there. You've got a bin, a towel, a sharps box. Then there's two kind of hooks here for hanging towels and things on. So it's small, but it's spacious enough. Okay, then next to the bathroom, the other door is the shower area. So in here you have, this is where your full length mirror is on your door. So you have a full length mirror on the door. Then you've got two towel racks here. Then there's lots of storage in this one again. So you've got two corner shelves on this side where they put the little flannels and the little makeup towel. Then you've got two corner shelves on here. That's where we kind of had our deodorant and aftershave and toothbrushes. I've just moved some of our, this is our stuff that I'm just trying to work out what we're taking back home with us. So we've got body lotion there and a soap. And then you've obviously got space around the sink. You've got tissues, bin, and again, more storage underneath the sink there with towels and a hand towel. Then this one has like the curved bath. So it's a circle bath, really unusual. So it's a really big circle bath. And then you have a shower there, but you also get the rainfall shower. So we've just pulled these across because we had our swimming costumes on them as well, but that basically just goes in the wall over there. But you get two in this one. So you get two clotheslines that pull across. And then I'm just gonna get in the bath just to show you over here. There's also storage here as well. So there is like four little kind of shelves here that you can put stuff in. Then there's a shelf there where they've got all the H2O products and even like, I mean, storage there if you wanted to. We kind of used it to, well, I used it to sit on and it was helped in the shower. Let's try and get back out again. But it's a really nice shower. One of the best showers I think I've seen, a gorgeous rainfall head. And like I said, the controls are just there, so you can have the shower, the rainfall shower, or the bath. And then it has like the kind of nice handle there as well. Then this is the curve, which is for the shower, for the bathroom. Then you've got master bed here. So you've got lights either side, light switches either side. You've only got USB plugs on one side. The other side doesn't because the phone is plugged in on that side. Both sides do have little drawers here. So both sides have a little drawer. And then this one only has a light switch for this light, whereas the other side does the main light and the bedside light as well. Then if you were having a connecting room, your connecting room door is here. Then you've got glasses and things there on the side. You always get 4 water glasses, 2 shelves here. And then there's 3 quite deep drawers here. So we were just using them for like a drawer each for underwear and swim stuff and things. Then you've got 2 big double wardrobes. Again, the same as the other one, they don't seem to have a light in the wardrobe, so it can be a little bit dark. You've got your ladder if you've got the bed over the sofa. You've got 3 kind of drawers there, which were really handy for putting shoes in and little jackets. And you've got lots of hangers and your life jackets are up there, but you can still use that shelf as well on top to store things on. Then the other double wardrobe is just the same. that's just kind of laundry bags down there from when we sent laundry out. They did like an offer. Then there is, again, you've got the safe, the same little shelves, and then more hanging space and more life jackets up there at the top. And then the door also tells you where you are, so your deck 7, this is your room, this is your best exit and things like that, and this is your assembly station. And as we go back into the room, you get 2 hooks here. So these hooks are already in the room. 2 hooks which are good for hanging coats and things on. But like when I showed in the other room, we bought the magnetic hooks and I stuck them on here so we could hang up more things in the room. Then we've got a really nice picture here. It's got all the ships on apart from the Wish. It's missing the Wish. So then this is the other side here. So that's why there's the phone. And then like I said, there's the light that does this light, and that light does the main lights as well in the room. So it's only controlled for the main lights on that side for some reason, not the other side. But there's plenty of space. Then you have your curtain here that you can pull across to separate the 2 areas. We've just got all our luggage ready there because tonight at 10 o'clock they're going to pick all our luggage up. Then you've got your sofa that turns into a bed, bedside table, and then here is even more storage. So you have 2 shelves there and a big cupboard here. Then you've got loads of storage across this desk. It's a really big desk. Then we've got a fridge, only a small mini fridge, but it's enough to fit a few things in. Then you've got 3 drawers here. I've just put clothes in for tomorrow ready for us. So 3 drawers there. The 3 drawers on that side are exactly identical. And then you have your little drawer in here, which gives you your stationery, your good morning breakfast signs, information cards. You've got your lovely chair there. Then the only thing different actually is this top drawer here does have the hairdryer and the mat for styling tools. That goes in that one there. And then this one, because it's like an extra cupboard, it's not got like another fridge, it's like another big cupboard. So like I said, there's ample storage space. Then there is 2 shelves here. This is just the rest of our fish extender gifts. So we gave everybody a gift in the cabin. And then I also made a little bag up like this where I've put popcorn and chocolates and things in ready for tonight, for the last night for the show, so that everybody could kind of have a little bag for the show. And I found these cute little Mickey things here as well, and I've done some for some of the cast members. Then in here you've got another cupboard which has got another 3 shelves in. So there's lots and lots and lots of storage space. Then there is light switch, does the main light in here. Another light switch turns these ones on here. Then you have another switch that dims over there. Here, this one's just a little button on the wall, which is good because that turns on the light. This turns into a bed, so it will turn on the light in the bed. This also comes down as a cabin bed. So you can pull that down and that turns into a cabin bed. And then this is your 5th sleeper bed here. So this is kind of like the Murphy bed. So that comes completely down flat out here and makes a bed. If you've watched our other vlogs from this series of our 11-night Northern Europe cruise on the Dream, you'll see that we've had all 3 beds out during the 11 nights. So that Matilda could try the different beds. She did say that the comfiest she found was the sofa bed. That was the one that she preferred. She thought that was the comfiest. So after trying the 3, she stuck with that one. Then in this room, you get the porthole. So it's a very large porthole. And you kind of have the curtain, and then you have the little bit across here. But it's really nice because you get like a really nice padded seat here as well. So it's nice just to sit in there. It's been nice when we've had like sea days and you can just kind of sit there watching the sea. So currently we are in Zeebrugge. So that's why we're kind of parked up like this at the minute, because it was a port day today. But I think that is going to be my room tour of this stateroom on the Disney Dream.